everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it turns out I for some reason muted myself. I'm still kind of learning it, and I for some reason like clicked the button and I muted myself at the beginning of the video. But welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a magical day. In this video today, even more magical. Don't worry, I just muted the intro apparently. I don't know why. I just watched it. I was like, but good thing is it was on the same day, which means today, right now. And I'm just watching and editing it to put it up, and I'm like, oh no. Anyways, well, this is the intro. We're going to watch Sixsters live, an actual live performance. As you can see, I have a new setup. I hope you like it. I'm just using I got a new laptop for Christmas and New Year's, my gift. And it's like, my dad's like, I'm happy you're in a business, like you're doing something, and you're gonna try and like create stuff, and actually go into this kind of business. So yeah, I got that, and I can like do extra stuff. I want to do some lives for you guys and stuff, but for now, I hope you enjoy the Sixsters live performance. I've really liked it. I still remember it. Anyways, enjoy. Oh my god, look at our little pianist. Remember when she was just so small and she just played the piano? She looks older here, okay, first of all. She definitely looks older. But, like, I know it might not be that many years, but I swear to God, it's so, oh my god, wow. Wow, okay. I might just be like, she just grew up like 2 years and there's like this change, but I can see like her face is more mature and everything. It's so amazing. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, the beat. Nice beat. Yes. Nice. Oh. Nice. I already love the beginning. That's so like classical kind of. It's getting you in the mood. I really like it. And I think they usually do this, which really just suits me because I like how they start and they don't go right into it. They just anticipate like building up the levels. It's so entertaining like that. She's so good. That's so cool. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on. So first of all, I love how they started off like, I just love to see, and I believe it's the same singer from the few last videos I've watched, and I can see her hair even longer, her face is a bit more mature. She's just, I love how deep her voice also got. I think it's a bit deeper than we watched in the previous ones. And I love this thing that we also have the girls coming in like that. It's like the latest live concert they've done from inside like one room all together that we got to watch, so I love all this, and this synchronization they have with that word, it's just like, just hits really nicely, and I really like it at all. It's very, I don't know, they just really know how to pull things off and like make you really get invested into this from the beginning. It's like 1:14 minutes only. Oh my god. There's such a mood. Oh my god, such a mood. She's such an amazing mood. I love her. Oh my god. I love how she just goes around, just sings and then nods her head, hair flowing around. Like, I just love her. She's so like enjoyable. Like, and she's just the mood for me. She's just a vibe. That's so cool. Girl. That was so much fun. Oh, I really enjoyed this. Okay, cool. Ooh. Oh my god. She is beyond the mood control. She's crazy. Oh my god, I love her. I love her. Whenever I listen to a song that actually like has to do with rock and stuff and all that, and I usually just go around the house just bouncing or like turning or I don't know, lots of stuff. She's just like a mood right here. She's oh my god. I absolutely adore her. She's just amazing, girl. You're crazy. And I just love this power she gives because it's just like you don't expect it to be like that because you know there are girls they could be like you see them and be like what she does is actually go around, communicate with her whole band, and also like her stuff just being a mood, just jumping around and hyping the whole crowd. Like, she's putting work here. This is so much fun. Isn't she tired after those though? Oh my god. If she still has a voice, I'm girls power. I love the difference, like, approach they have in this one. Ooh, I love this feeling of this song. It's so different from the other one. Oh, that guitar solo right there is like vibing. Nice. I love her energy. She's just crazy. I love that energy. Oh my god. It's driving me crazy now. This is so cool. God. Ooh. Yes. Oh, that's so fun. One of the reasons drums is one of my favorite instruments along with violin. Love them. Those two instruments are just pure chaos together. Oh, they're so different, but I love them. Oh, yes. Yes, go on, girl. Please, just go on. I swear to God, that ending was just beautiful. I just love how they just didn't like stop or at the singing, and they just went on, and you just enjoyed this. It's so beautiful. I loved it. I also love how like it's the first actual live concert I watched. It's not like from their house or a video edited. It's them on stage performing. It was just super enjoyable. They just drove the crowd, like the energy she produced. And also then at the end, the instruments just finished it so beautifully. They just kept the energy alive even at the last second. And what I also like is that what they do is that with the music, they might start with wow, I just put them off and I realized how loud I'm sounding. But they just like use the vocals come in, and they don't really like have a lot of high notes or stuff because they have the instruments just complementing the voice. And it's so interesting to see that in a rock songs, because we heard two. By the way, if you guys have the names, I would really appreciate it. I have no clue what they're called. I'm guessing it's the brackets. Like, yeah. But again, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. There's a little guy called Albert who will be sending you. Make sure to check out my Patreon. Shout out to my Patreon Vince for supporting. Thank you so much. You're so kind. I'm going to start doing a lot of stuff coming forward because I want to try and do something for you guys. Might do a live on my birthday. It's on this month, so you might check that out. But I will see how it goes. And for now, I just need to see when and if we're going back to school, because first 2 days of school, we're going to get stuck at home again. I don't know what happens after that, but if we're stuck, I might do on my birthday a live stream at specific hours. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys next time in my next reaction. Bye bye.